Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in chapter 15, exercise 15.2, first problem. In this exercise, we are going to deal with the volumes. Children, do you all remember with the formulas? If you are not perfect, go back to the first video and learn all the formulas and then come back to this video. Let's see the first problem. A solid is in the shape of a cone. Imagine, is this the solid cone? Yes. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. This is hemisphere. A cone is standing on hemisphere with both their radius being equal. Yes, both of these solids' radius is equal to 1 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius, it seems. Radius and height of a cone are equal. Find the volume of the solid in terms of pi. In terms of pi means we should not substitute pi value. Okay, volume of this solid, if you want to find, what is the formula you need to take? Volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone. Let's start the solution here. We start with the given data. Given a solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. If you want, you can add this statement also. Given radius of cone, it is equal to radius of hemisphere. Both the radius equal, said children. Radius of cone is equal to radius of hemisphere. And what is that radius? That equal to. And you may write it as both the radius r is equal to 1 centimeter. And height of the cone is equal to its radius. That means height of cone is equal to radius of cone. We are talking about height of the cone is equal to radius of the cone. That is, radius of cone is how much? 1 centimeter. Then this is h is equal to 1 centimeters. Height of the cone is equal to radius of the cone. That is, h is also equal to 1 centimeter. We need to get the answer in pi. Pi means we should not substitute pi value, that is 22/7 or 3.14. We should not substitute. Volume of the solid is equal to, write the formulas, children. Volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of hemisphere. We have seen the solid directly, but we should draw in notes now. So let us draw the figure on board. Look here carefully. Hemisphere, and this is cone. This is 1 centimeters and this is also 1 centimeter. Height and radius of a cone are equal, and radius of a cone is equal to hemispherical radius, that is 1 centimeter. Volume of a cone is 1/3 pi r square h plus hemisphere volume 2/3 pi r cube. Now check in these two, is there anything common? Yes, pi r square common. Observe here, both the radius are equal, then you can take out. Pi r square, if you remove, you are left with h/3 plus 2/3 r. Now pi r value is 1 whole square. H, height of the cone, that is h is equal to 1/3 plus 2/3 into radius is 1. Now pi into 1 square is pi. 1/3 plus 2 into 1, 2/3. Now do the LCM here. Pi into 1 plus 2, that will be is equal to pi into 3 by 3. 3 cancel 1, that will be equal to pi. Therefore, volume of the solid is equal to pi, centimeter or meter given? Centimeter. Pi cubic centimeter or pi centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of the given solid is how much? Pi centimeter cube. Understand the problem carefully and frame the formulas. Let's see the second problem. Rachel, an engineering student, was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder. An engineering student, what did they say? They asked that student to make a model like a cylinder. You can imagine the cylinder, this one, with two cones attached at its two ends. One cone is placed here and another cone is placed here like this. Can you imagine the two cones? Two cones and a cylinder. Rachel, she is an engineering student, asked to make a model such a way that a cylinder and two cones are placed on top and bottom. Two ends of a cylinder by using a thin aluminium sheet. The diameter of the model is 3 centimeters. What is the diameter of the model? 3 centimeters. That means from here to here 3 and from here to here it is 3. So diameter 3, radius is 3 by 2. That will be 1.5 centimeters is the radius. We need radius, right? Diameter of the model is 3 centimeter. Radius is 1.5 centimeter. And its length is 12 centimeters. Which length is 12, children? Model length is 12 centimeter. From here to here, model length is 12 centimeters. Understand this? The model length is 12 centimeters. If each cone has a height of 2 centimeters. What is the height of the cone, children? 2 centimeters. And this cone is also 2 centimeters. Now split here, that cone 2 and this cone 2. 2 plus 2, 4. Then here, what is the cylinder part height? You will get by subtracting in 12, 12 minus 4. That will be 8 centimeters is the cylinder height. Cone height 2 centimeters and this cone height 2 centimeters. 2 plus 2, 4. Total model height is 12 centimeter. Therefore, cylindrical height is 8 centimeters. Next one. Find the volume of air contained in the model. Volume, they are talking. Volume of air contained in this model that Rachel made. Assume the outer and inner dimensions of the model to be nearly the same. With what this model is made? This model is made with the aluminium sheet. Okay, how it is made? A cylinder, top and bottom. Cylinder is enclosed with two same cones. Okay, find the volume of air inside the model. Okay, let's start a solution here. Given diameter of the model is 3 centimeters. Radius of the model 3 by 2, that will be 1.5 centimeter. Total length of the model is how much? 12 centimeter. Height of the cone. Here we are talking about two heights. Two heights are different. Cone height and cylinder height. So for that reason, we are going to differentiate both the heights by H1 and H2. Cone height H1, cylinder height H2. What is cone height? 2 centimeters. Each cone will be having same height. Now what about the height of a cylinder? Cylinder, we get its height by 12 minus 2 into 2, 4. 12 minus 4 will be 8 centimeters is cylinder height. Volume of the model. Frame the formula. 2 times. Why 2 times? Same cones are there. 2 times volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Volume of the model is equal to 2 times volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. 2 times volume of a cone formula 1 by 3 pi r square h plus close the bracket 2 times only for this one volume of a cylinder pi r square h. Now in these two, is there anything common? Pi r square is common. So this 2 multiply inside and take out pi r square common. That will be cylinder and cone height is different, no? Cone height is h1. So this is h1 and this is h2. Pi r square if you take out common. In first set you are left with 2 by 3 h1 plus and here h2. Equal to 22 by 7 into, what is the radius of the solid? 1.5. 2 times r square means 2 times I need to write. So 1.5 I write it as 15 by 10 into 15 by 10 bracket open 2 by 3 into h1 value is 2 and h2 value is 8. Okay, now try to cancel. 5 3s, 5 2s, 5 3s, 5 2s, and again here 2 11s. Okay, so then it will be 3 3s are 9, 9 11s are 99 by 7 2s are 14 into 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3 plus 8. Okay, that's it now. Next, let's carry a problem here. Is equal to 99 by 14 into, let's do the LCM here. 3 is LCM, 4 plus 8 3s are 24. That will be 99 by 14 into 24 plus 4 will be 28 by 3. Now again it may cancel. 14 2s are 28. 3 33s are 99. 33 into 2 will be 66. Volume, always cubic units, that is 66 centimeter cube. Therefore, volume of a model is equal to 66 cubic centimeters. What is the volume of air present in the model? Volume of model you can write, or volume of air present in the model is equal to 66 centimeter cube. Let us see now an ME problem. What is this yummy problem? We are going to discuss with some sweet. Sweet, it is so delicious. Everybody will be tempting to eat that sweet. So we are going to deal now with that sweet. What is that sweet? Gulab jamun. It will be in round shape, right? Most of the people will do this gulab jamuns in round shape. But now in our problem, we are going to deal the same gulab jamun with a cylindrical shape and 2 hemispheres joined. Your gulab jams will be in this form. Okay, let's start our yummy problem. Third problem. A gulab jamun contains sugar syrup. Obviously, gulab jamun means it will be dipped in sugar syrup up to about 30% of its volume. So, what do you understand? Suppose if I consider 1 jamun. In that jamun, 30% of the jamun is filled with sugar syrup and remaining 70% with the jamun dough. Right? 30% of a jamun is filled with the sugar syrup. Find approximately how much syrup would be found in 45 gulab jamuns, each shaped like a cylinder with 2 hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeters. Length of 1 jamun is 5 centimeters. And it is in which shape? A cylinder and two hemispheres are joined like this. And each jamun is covered with 30% of sugar syrup. Next. And diameter 2.8 centimeters. Length of the jamun is 5 centimeters. Its diameter is 2.8. Radius is how much? 1.4 centimeters. You can imagine a container. A container is filled with jamuns. Okay, it is not in round shape. It is in cylindrical and two hemispheres joined shape. You can see these jamuns. There are how many jamuns here? 45 jamuns are present in this container. And all each of having same volume. Each jamun is covered with 30% of sugar syrup. What is the total syrup contained in 45 jamuns is your question. Okay, let's write the given data first. Given length of one gulab jamun. I have drawn here one picture of one gulab jamun, cylinder and hemispheres joined or attached at the end of the cylinder. Length of one gulab jamun length is how much? 5 centimeters. Diameter is how much? 2.8 centimeters. Diameter 2.8, radius will be 2.8 by 2, that will be 1.4 centimeters. Height of cylinder H. Height of the cylinder. What is the height here? Okay, look here. From here to here 1.4 and from here it is 1.4. 1.4 plus 1.4 will be 2.8. So in total height or a length of a jamun, remove the hemisphere height. That means 5 minus 2.8. That will be 2.2 centimeter is the height of the cylindrical shape. How we are going to complete this problem, children? We are going to take only one jamun first. Okay, we are going to find the total volume. You will get cylinder volume plus two hemispheres, total volume find out. After getting one gulab jam volume, 30% means how much you consider. 30% of that jamun is sugar syrup, right? 30% of the total volume of jamun is how much you found out. Then after finding that one jamun 30% syrup, cut. One jamun 30% of the syrup multiply with 45 jamuns. That you are going to get the total 45 jamuns sugar syrup. Let's start our problem here. Volume of one gulab jamun is equal to volume of two hemispheres plus volume of cylinder. Two hemispheres plus volume of one cylinder. Formula: volume of hemisphere 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of a cylinder pi r square h. Okay, is there anything common here? Yes, pi r square is common. Take out common. 2 2s are 4 by 3. Just you take inside. Pi r square if you take out common. 4 by 3 r. R cube if you remove 2 r's, 1 r will be left inside. Plus pi r square is removed here. H is left. Pi value is 22 by 7. R square. R value is 1.4. I may write it as 14 by 10 into 14 by 10. 1.4 no children, convert this. Convert that decimal. You can write like this. Into 4 by 3 into. Again radius will be 14 by 10 plus height. Which height we are talking? We don't talk about full height. We talk only about the cylinder height. Cylinder height is how much? 5 minus 2.8, that will be 2.2. 2.2, again write it as 22 by 10. If you want one more step, you can include. First you can write decimals, then you can convert and write. One more step if you want, you can write. Now, 7 2s are 14, 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14, 2 5s are 10. Is there anything to cancel here? No. Now inside, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, or 2 7s, 2 5s also you can do. Anything is okay, no problem. And here also 2 11s, 2 5s. Now write this one. 7 into 22, 154. Yes or no? 7 2s are 14, 7 2s are 14 plus 1, 15. By 5 5s are 25 into 14 2s are 28 by 5 3s are 15 plus 11 by 5. Then again you need to add this 154 by 25. So I cannot add to LCM. That will be 28 plus 5 table where you get 15, 5 3s are 3 multiply for 11, 11 3s are 33. Carry a problem here. 154 by 25 into 28 plus 33. How much it will be? 8 plus 3, 11. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 61 by 15. Multiply children, 154 into 61. 154 into 61. 154. Then again 6 4s are 24, 30, 32, 9, 24. And if you add 9, 3, 9, 3, 9, 4, that will be 9,394 by 25 15s are multiplied. 5 5s 25, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 2, 12, and 25, 7 3, 75. Now we need to divide this. Look here, divide this one children. Divide this. Let's do the calculation part here. 375, 9394 you need to divide. 375 table, it's not easy to remember. So just try to check it out. 375, 1s are only, 2s are, let us check it out. 750. 375 3s are 3 5s 15, 7 3s are 21 plus 1 22, 3 3s are 9, 9 plus 2 11. So 1125 is more. So let's take 375 2s are, it will be 750. Subtract this, 9 minus 0 9, 13 minus 5 it will be 8, 8 minus 7 1, and write the number down. 1,894 left. Again 375 table where you can get this. 375 4 means it might be so small. Let me take 5. 5 5s are 25, 7 5s are 35, 37, 15, 18. Okay, it's exactly nearer. 25s are 1875. Subtract this. 14 minus 5 9, 8 minus 7 1. 8 minus 7 1. So 19 left. So for that reason what I do here, just take out, put a dot and take 1 0 and write here 2 zeros, right? Now again 375, which is nearer to 1900. 375 5s are, right? So that will be, your answer is 25.05. 1 point if you take 1 0, still we did not get, so take one more 0 and write here another 0, then that will be 1875. If you subtract, you are going to get answer, right? I just stopped there. So that will be 25.05 is the answer for volume of 1 gulab jamun. What is this answer children? It indicates volume of 1 gulab jamun. Volume is always with the cubic centimeter, cubic unit, and here we are talking with centimeter. Therefore, volume of 1 jamun is equal to 25.05 centimeter cube. Now, let's continue your problem here. Let's do the problem here. Continue that problem here. Volume of one gulab jamun. Volume of one gulab jamun is 25.05 centimeter cube. But what do we know? 30% of the jamun is covered with sugar syrup. By data, 30% of volume of gulab jamun is filled with sugar syrup. So, quantity of syrup in jamun, quantity of sugar syrup in jamun is 30% said. 30% means 30 by 100 into total volume. 25.05. I just remove this decimal by 100. Okay. Now, easy to do this one. Better you multiply these two. And then shift the decimal up. That is, let's do the rough work. Where shall we do? Let's do here. 2505 into 30. 4 zeros. And again 3 5s, 15, 1. 15, 7. 75150. That will be 75150 by 100 into 100. 10,000. So now shift these zeros, means decimal point. After how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be 7.5150 centimeter cube. Therefore, the quantity of sugar syrup contained in one jamun, 30% means how much? 7.5150 centimeter cube. Okay, you can skip 10 also, you can write 7.515 also, you can write, no problem. So, one jamun sugar syrup is how much? 7.5150 centimeter cube. Like this, I need 45 jamuns. So, now multiply this 7.5150 into 45 jamuns. Again, we need to calculate. Where shall we calculate? Okay, let's do here calculation part. That is 7.5150 into 45. Let's multiply. 5 zeros are 0, 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5 plus 2, 7. 5 5s are 25, 5 7s are 35, 37. With 4 you start, 4 0 0, 4 5s 20, 4 1s are 4 plus 2, 6, 4 5s are 20, 4 7s are 28 plus 2, 30. That will be 7, 11 and this will be 8, 3, 3. And your decimal number after 4 digits, that is 338.1750. 45 jamuns will be 338.1750. Approximately you can write it as 338. Volume of sugar syrup contained in 45 jamuns is equal to 338 centimeter cube. See your children, approximate answer I am writing here. Total 45 jamun sugar syrup is how much? 338.17. Therefore, volume of sugar syrup is equal to, sugar syrup means in 45 jamuns total volume is equal to 338 centimeter cube. As these problems are very lengthy, children, don't try to by heart anything in the problem. Try to understand and able to analyze the picture in your mind. Okay, this is given, this I need to find, how I can find, if this is multiplied with that, or diameter given, what is the radius, what is height, everything. If you able to analyze, these problems are very easy and they will be very interesting for you. Okay, with this we are going to end our session. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next problems. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.